She's trying to figure out what's jingling.
Come on, you ready? Your dance.
You dancing with your cousin, Kayla and Faith dancing. And there goes Faith. To Daddy.
Say, come on, Daddy, dance. Come on, Faith, dance. Come on. Ready?
Do you get camera shy when I turn this thing on?
Okay, ready? Come on, dance.
You're gonna make Kayla run out of breath. Okay, that's all we wanted. You gonna dance now? Shake it, Faith, shake it.
Ready? Like now she's shy just because you're going.
Well, I got her good before.
Come on, dance. Let's do our knees dance. You know what I'm talking about.
There you go, shake it. Back to Daddy. What is Daddy gonna do? Daddy's not gonna get a skirt on.